ndingodera this one then ndodadedza Tawaz kuti vauye. Aiwa ndoda kungoansa iye kunzi sei ndisingachaiti mabirthday shoutouts ndakaregera because zvanga zvakukonzera pamuromo uyezve kune vanhu vanga vakundicreatira maghost accounts vachicreata maghost accounts vaiuya nerwese aigona kucreata account musiwo otanga kundifeya atanga kundifeya over I think vanhu vazhinji vaifunga kuti ndobhadharisa vanhu kuti kuita mabirthday shoutouts saka ndakaita board ndofunga more than 10 maghost accounts aingocreaterwa kuti angouya achita sei achindimbunyikidza because of mashoutouts anditya then vamwe vangu vakutumira mapicture vakashama vonzi isa picture rangu iri apa munhu haana kusimira saka ini ndakaona kuti ini zvinozogona kundinetsa mangwana regai ndisiyani nazvo otherwise Tawaz mina ndinoti Tawaz dzoka yamana ndikuedhe apa tasvika more than 100 varipo but asipona picture yakuti yaenda kupi Tawaz vaenda kupi ngavadzoki vaiti kuedha Tawaz timbotaura Tawaz. Oh my god 135 Tawaz vadonha mira ndivape futi link mira ndigovapa futi link Tawaz vadonha so mira ndivape futi link Tawaz network yavo no ngaidzoke amana network yavo Tawaz ngaisatombodonha zvayo amana kana pano vari kubvosona ameno itumirai Tawaz mabhanduru guys data ravo nofunga riri kuti richipera Tawaz vangu vari apa guys ndada kuvaedha yes alright mina ndivaedhe ndikiri data ravo pamwe network yes alright Tawaz is in the house guys zviri sei Tawaz
muri sei kwasishoma
ndiribo kuri sei kwamuri ikoko
kuno kuribo kuri kupisa rough
alright muri kupi mimi
ndiri kuBotswana at the moment
alright ndafunga kuti muri kuZimbabwe kenyi
aiwa ndogara kuBotswana
alright saka Tawaz chimbondiudzewo riwo name renyu risiri Tawaz ronzani
ronzi Everson kuda kwashe chieza
alright but evi muri taken here
that went high so quick yeah let's put it at maybe I'm yeah let's put it at yes I'm
pane zvisikana asazvapinda pane zvisikana so zvinorova makeyboard vana vimba havasati vasvika hanzi nedzidzidzi I love dhimbo Tawaz waona saka iye tiri kuita Tawaz it's not an interview guys saka tiri kungoita mageneral talks and then muchazobvunzawo mibvunzo yenyu yamuchange muchibvunza munomu so Tawaz chimboudzai vanhu kuti what do you do for fun besides zvekuacta zvenyu asikuda kunyanya kubata department renyu rekwadiwa pamoyo toda kuziva imimi munoitei pafree time penyu munoimuchitei
free time usually aindogara ndiri mumba zvangu but I love going out especially kugym I always work out every morning and every evening I always do that I never miss workout sessions and then nogadzira mota I'm a part-time mechanic at home nogadzira mota yangu almost every day and and then I also play basketball. I go to a basketball court and every time. That's basically what I do. And reading some things, nongo no wanasishia mwachungaita oma my YouTube au channel chichichi wachitinakiza.
Inzgo manje. Vasvika sikana wewe. Hanzi uyu manje chikuya ndosha tinoita panapa tichiverenga macomments anditika saka nhasi please ndichange ndichipina macomments zvatakaita pepe pana twabama nditika hanzi uyu malips saka unongochiona manje macomments ako ari kuuya apa nditi
ndamuona paida moyo
so manje ndakubvunzawo what's your favorite food
sadza kwata chicken stew or beef stew nema veg wrap memapedza basa pakadaro akuita that all day ngozvisvika kana zuva rese every day ndichingodya sadza beef stew kana nema veg paside
Okay, so kana musiri kuita zvemekaniki munotravela kana munoita sei?
Yeah, I travel a lot. They're also a photographer, saka most of the time I'm always on the road. Ndichingofamba back and forth. Ndogona kutogara pamba kana in a week ndogona ngorara pamba ka 1. The whole time ndingo travel around Botswana and some places where I don't even know sometimes.
Right. Saka like most of the time does it mean kuti munenge muri kuBotswana or munenge muchikwira muchidzika muchienda futi nekuZimbabwe?
Yeah, in Zimbabwe futi I always get people vanotondibuka or ndotomboendawo ndotombo saka it's back and forth Zim and Botswana, sometimes even South Africa if need be.
All right. Anzi uyu ndiri kuuya kuphotoshoot ikoko.
Yeah, no. No, yeah.
Saka Tawaz kumusha kwenyu ndokupi mimi?
Inini ndobva kwa Rusape. Yes, kwa Rusape. Kumusha chaiko kwa Rusape. Ndiri muyera monkey. Yes, monkey. Tsoko ndimuyera shoko.
Tawaz ungonishona.
No, mamwe mawedzi anombondivexa but ndotaura shona. I grew up this side saka shona
ita saka pedzisai pesai hamiyo toti tsumo ndodimikira. Gudo guru peta muswe. Gudo guru peta muswe chi pedzisai toni.
I know that the first part guru peta muswe something they're coming to attack you. I don't know. that one
Gesa tinzo chimbogesa.
I can't even think of something. Guru peta muswe.
Imwe. Kure kwegava ndokusina.
Mutsubu. Yes. Correct, right.
5, 1 down. Then yechi 2. Mbudzi kuzvarira pavanhu.
Mbudzi kuzvarira pavanhu. I've never heard of that one.
Ezishiko mira ndiende pauyu tikutokubvunzai 5 mira saka ora ichimbotiudza wakakurira kupi, maybe vamwe vanofunga kuti kudada wakakurira kupi sezvo usinatso kugona shona.
Ndakatanga ndakurira muruwa at first, like when I was in primary ndopa ndakazomove to Botswana. So from primary up to like my high school level, pandakazoenda ku MSU, this whole time ndandiri ku Botswana, and I think that was the most crucial part of me learning about Zimbabwe and my culture. But ndakazongotangirawo pakati when I was now at MSU. Apa ndasingatogona kunyora shona anga ari mawani.
See, hanzi zonina uyu hanzi na Primrose chitaura yaunoziva iwewe Tsumo.
Chizi chako masimba mashoma.
1, 2.
The other one, anzi mbudzi anzi ufararira. Ameno something.
Mbudzi kudya upenje ufanana. All right. Anyway, vanhu itai muchibvunza ma-questions amuda kuvhunza Tawaz. Handitika itai muchibvunza ma-questions, but I don't know kuti toti ma-questions answerable here because ndasingadi kunyanya bata drama, because ndozoti vamwe vanozopinda nema-feelings panapa ndoziva. Saka ngatitawo chimbobvunzawo Tawaz zvamuda kuvabvunza zvimwewo. Nokuwa but tikuta zvana nokuwa tikuda izvozvo, asi ndisendaenda mberi hanzi toda kuti utiunzire tipei ma-questions guys. Toda kuti utilingewo kana na Biko.
Of course, you can come anytime.
All right. Amana chikanda ifayai Tawaz ma-questions vafayai ese shuwa chisiri chenyu masimba mashoma bhutsu dzakatengeswa. Aiwa, kamona ndikubvunza mamwe maquestions guys. Hanzi vanoenda kugym stereki here? Iyo question yenyu.
Yeah, let me not say static, but almost every day. But now triple lockdown, I haven't been to the gym for about a month now. Then I'm a home workout, but yeah, I go to the gym static. That's part of my lifestyle, and I don't think it would ever stop.
Alright. Hanzi na uyu Mantawa hamudi kuuya kuDoha here? Handizive kuti iri kupi Doha yacho.
Oh, Doha. Oh yeah, I've heard of Doha. You know the drill. You want me, you just call me, book my ticket, and I'll be there. No one want to be
Yeah. It's that has details about photoshoot.
Details about photoshoot. It just depends on where you are. All my prices range from where you are and what you want also, because some people they just want to be alone in a photo shoot, and then other people but you book me one and then I find 10 people there, and that's supposed to be a higher price. But my basic price when I'm in Botswana, it's 700 pula, which is equivalent to $70. Of which I understand Zim $70 is not a joke. So I always try to understand and make sure that I dip a little bit, because I'm in love with taking pictures and making sure I capture these memories for other people. So it's not really a requirement for me to charge higher or anything, because it's just a hobby to me which I picked up. So as long as you're smiling, as long as you're happy, I'm happy. And you can check out my page on Facebook, Everson Rogers Arts. Maybe you can see my work, some of my work there, and then if you love it, and then we can talk more. Everson Rogers, and then
Everson. Everson Rogers.
Don't put a D there, just put ROGES.
So Everson inospellwa chiti EVA.
EVERSON.
ERSON. Rogers.
And then ROGERS.
Takunongai. Mukuvaona.
Exactly. Yes.
Right. Zvatoite ndakutonolaikawo inini. Ndalike. Okay,
because I'm planning on bringing. Yeah, no, I'm saying they can go like, because I'm planning on bringing more content there.
Oh. Okay, next one. Vakaroora here indoda kuroorwa. Ruoko hanzi handisi married. Then uyu akati, are you single?
Single? No, I'm not. I'm off the market.
Oh my God! Okay, Mira tiende panzi. Mantawa, would you like to be? Oh, no. Imi mtatizo ni zvinokuenda nematongerwo enyika tatina handidi kuzvitaura panapa. There are many reasons why I don't want to discuss about politics. Saka don't answer that one. How many are you in your family?
We are 6. We have 4 children and 2 parents. I'm the oldest in the family, and then I have the siblings. With only one girl who is the last born. She's the rose among the thorns.
Okay, pane this one. What's next for Tower after Wadiwa project?
Really, zambopina stop down because of the lockdown. But I've been having talks with different houses and other people who are willing to work with me, and the other people I'm also willing to work with. So let's put it on hold for now, but let's just wait on the coronavirus, so that when it comes down, there's more of me, and I'm sure everyone will be updated on what's next, really. But the idea is to keep going and keep working. I don't know if people have noticed, but FC Platinum has been posting some of my pictures. We're doing a campaign on it's an activation campaign of stay safe, stay home, and stay healthy. And we're also counting down, making sure that people are safe. So I'm also a campaign leader there. Yeah, it's something which is coming up, and other people are coming in, and I'm really grateful for it. But I'm not limiting anyone who's willing to work. Let's all work, guys. It's that's the only way we can make it.
Okay, hanzi vabereki vako vanogara kupi?
The whole family stays in Botswana. We live as a whole family. Saka togara tese ku Botswana.
Hanzi, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black. I love black.
Mina tiende pane mamwe wacho masingu singu mina. Uripi Tawaz ita aipindura I think manonoka kusvika.
I'm in Botswana.
Vakutobvunza zvokuti episode aiorega iyi kandiise iyi, but don't explain too much about your work here musati maisa pauyu, but angobvunza kuti episode 10 tichaiwanepi iri ku ndizvo here taataura ati hanzi matawa takuda episode 10 we're waiting, so maybe you can just brush this one.
No, episode 10 is coming next week, Wednesday on YouTube, and then on Monday on Patreon for those who are patrons for College Central. And that's our last and that's our last episode, guys. So it's a sad story, but you know what, everything has to come to an end.
Oh, that's nice. Anyway, so are they not allowed to choda each other mwadiwa?
No, we are allowed. We're allowed, but when the storyline doesn't really allow that kind of kissing and all that, because remember, it's a story for back in the days. It's not a modern story. Saga. Mantao is actually 2007, 2008. I think somewhere there when Ferguson was still a Manchester United coach. Saga, there's no kissing in there. Maybe another. I think you've watched Close Call, guys. Go watch Close Call. That was a long time ago. I was kissing.
Anyway, Anzi, who is your role model and why? You.
I love. Should I say love? Yeah, I love and respect Tongai Chirisa. I feel like one day I'm gonna be labeled as a mini Tongai Chirisa because he also started back in Zimbabwe and then he moved his way up, and now look at him. He's somewhere out there in Hollywood, and I think he's my role model. That's part of one of the person I've looked up to, and I always look up to, and I always respect. And I hope you guys can link him with me, and maybe I can get to actually get a picture with him, guys. Come on, guys, we can do this, guys.
Varipo vanomuziva vanditori nemacontacts ndofunga usata zvokuseka nevanhu hanzi neuyuyu. Where do you see yourself in the Zimbabwean acting industry? Ndofunga maybe angada kuti mayears ari ku achatevera.
Okay. Because of the support which you've been getting from Zimbabwe, really, Zimbabwe is full of love, guys. Or Zimbabweans are full of love for their own, and I really appreciate them. And if all that continues, I think the industry is going to accommodate us to the point where we can actually have Tiano. Everson is staying in Zimbabwe and he's a full-time actor, and there are more industry in film projects which are coming up. So I see myself as one of those guys who are going to motivate more actors and upcoming actors too, and make sure this dream goes on, because a whole lot of people can't live this dream because it seems so good to be true, and it's difficult to be an actor, just to be an actor, guys. So I see myself as the most paid actor. Let me brag, as the most paid actor too. Through God's grace and through you guys, we can make it. And I want to make it in Zimbabwe. I don't want to make it anywhere else. I want to make it in Zimbabwe.
But in a personal question, asanda scroll but akubvunza kuti how do you handle negativity? Let's say vanhu vakatanga kutuka kana kusora kuti he watadza kuacta watadza kuita sei he zvakadhakwa unohandla sei? I'm sure you guys hamusati mambonyatsokuwana backlash yekuti nekuti munoacta pamwe muri group, but then let's say vanhu vauya kwauri vachitanga kudzikisira unozvihandla sei?
I've told myself people are always going to talk. Haters are going to hate, lovers are going to love. And from the numbers have shown it that, you know what, there's more love than hate. And
Yes.
but yeah, last night I was greatly touched by someone who on Twitter who just said, you know what, it was a great story, but zero by acting. And they were talking about diploma in they have a diploma in theater and drama. And I'm looking at myself, I'm like, but I have a degree in film and theater, guys. And I'm acting on Wepa Moyo, which people are loving. So why would someone even say that? It actually hurts, but at the same time, you know, you're doing something good. Not everyone is gonna like it. So I appreciate the haters, because the haters also give us motivation to say, you know what, because there's nothing I can do. Art is my life, and I've given myself to art. And if I listen to someone who says stop, then what else am I going to do? How am I going to put food on the table for myself? And I'm also growing up. I'm also going to build my own family. And so haters are always going to hate, but we got to keep pushing. That's the way we live.
This one, what's your Instagram handle?
My Instagram handle is Everson K Chiesa. Everywhere it's Everson K Chiesa, and on Twitter it's at Everson Kuda. And on Facebook, I have a Facebook page because my friend request my limitation has been so now I have a Facebook page. Yeah, for you I'll do it. But yeah, my Facebook page is where mostly
Anzi uyu wait Sunday show anzi Mantawa munobva kwarusape kupi kwacho, and are you a Christian?
Kupi kwacho. Kupi kwacho. Yes, I'm a Christian. I'm a Christian. I'm a Seventh-day Adventist member, and yeah, Drumsawada. And Kurusape Kupi kwacho. I always forget the name because the name is tricky.
Right. Anyway, Anzi 70 per hour. This one I don't understand. Kuti ari kuvunza kuti 70 per hour or what ngezvei. Pane zvawambotaura zve 70 per hour.
Oh wait, yeah, I think this one is talking about the photo shoots and all that. Yes, yes, per hour. Yes, per hour, but obviously my hour is not strict, because usually I always take 30 minutes to make sure that my clients are relaxed and they have a good time. So, yeah, it's not 70 per hour.
Hans Manta, which side are you? I'm also in Botswana. Then maybe you can answer this one as well. And citizen yenyu Manta. So I'm muri Zimbabwe, Botswana, and then kana muri Botswana, muri Botswana. Which side are you?
I stay in Lobatse, just after Gaborone, and then I'm pure Zimbabwean, but it's just like, you know, mixed of culture now. But I'm proud to be Zimbabwean, and Kanandrugu Zimbabwe nechigara Murua. Yeah, that's where I come, born and bred there. Takazora kugoromonzi.
Right. How are you taking advantage of the limelight you are getting?
I haven't really taken any advantage because everything is just happening so fast, and it's not really taking an advantage. It's just because I'm locked, guys. We're all in lockdown, and the only advantage I'm taking of it is by making sure that I promote myself as a person. also not just as Mantawa, because people are in love with Mantawa, and I'm also trying to bring them to like me too, because people are like Mantawa. What about Everson, guys? What about Everson? But yeah, I think that's what I'm taking advantage of. Making sure that
Okay.
people out there know more about them. Yeah.
Okay. And who is your Zim favorite artist, specifically kuma musicians? This is the question.
Specifically to my musicians. The funny part is I had a conversation with Freeman last night, and I was like, "Yo, I'm in love with your music. I love your music, you know." And then, but he's also my favorite. And but yeah, guys, chibababababa, chibabababa, chinotonga. And then there's also Ja Praiser. Come on, guys. There's a whole lot of people, and Lee Makani and Amara Brown. Guys, it's too much. I don't really have a favorite. I love them all because everyone is bringing out a different taste of music, and
Mm.
they're adding their influence. I wanna Winky D. Oh my goodness, Baba Msaroge big money. Come on. I don't have a
Okay.
favorite,
So
guys.
this one asked him, where can we get some of the short films that she did besides Wadiwa and Kubusha? Yeah, Kubusha. I don't know Kubusha. This one. This is the question.
Well, we haven't really had much. There's Busha, there's Toro, the short film, and there's also Closco. Yeah, those are some of the and all of them are on YouTube. Everything I've done is on YouTube, so that's where you can all get. And then there's also my best friend. My best friend hasn't been released yet, but
Mhm.
it will come out one day. I hope so. College Central will make a plan for you guys to watch it.
Okay. And is there season 2 kana episode 10 ili last?
Yes, there's definitely episode 2, but I heard rumors are saying that to episode 2, pass season 2. But
Mm.
let's hold on. We don't know yet what this Ufamba say because he's using us to all my actors, and we're also looking forward to season 2. But season 2 definitely is coming out.
Oh, okay. Oh, so this means kuti iwo ukutoshanda uri under someone.
Um, well, right now we're under Kole Central, as Manta was under Kole Central, but
Mm.
I'm working under
All right.
me.
All right.
I'm still an upcoming. They're also helping, so I'm basically under them at the same time, also doing my own thing.
Okay, next question, Anzi. What advice can you give to this our generation considering the kind of world we're living in? Question yacho iyo.
What advice can you give to our generation considering the kind of world we're living in? The kind of world we're living in. Well, it's all digital now. It's everything is digital. So really, there is no excuse in a lot of things. Look at us now on lockdown, but I'm able to talk to Sharon right now, and I'm able to actually communicate with all different people. So really, we need to take advantage of this. And our generation, well, I mean, we can make anything happen because we're more learned, we have more technology now, and anything can be done from your bedroom. So really, anything is possible. Let me just put it that way. Anything is possible. There's no such thing as it's impossible. Nah, in this
Inzwa
time, in this
kubvunzo.
time around, there's no such thing as impossible.
Okay. Hanzi, ungabvume kuenda kudhinha here nefoni rako? Uona mubvunzo wakoyo? Oh, naye mana neti yauyu pamwe yambofuriza. Oh, dzoka kani please. Please, Matawa. Matawa vadonha guys. Oye, network. Neti yomirire Matawa. Network yanga yadonha. Hanzi zvoni uyu wanga waiwana iyo question.
Yes, no, I don't mind. I don't mind. Well, the thing is, people think I'm a celebrity, but guys, I'm just a cool guy. That's why I'm also a photographer. I'm one person who communicates with people, who admires the love that people have, and yeah, I don't mind. Wait, are you gonna be paying? Are you gonna be settling the bill? If you're settling the bill,
Hey, Amanda, abroad. Let me tell you the truth. Offer kuti Tawaz handika kulunch. Tawaz wachaenda patebhuru pepe vokutarisa. Wamdana.
you can't call me and expect me to pay.
Oh, Tawaz anchakutrust me. But then you would pay for your girlfriend, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
My girlfriend, well, I'm always gonna have those lucky friends. I'm going to say, you know what, guys, you're my lucky friend for today. Let's go out for lunch, or or I'll surprise you, or I'll surprise some people. Yeah, because well, you never know, guys.
Anzi, wish you the best, Tawaz. Hope and pray no scandals. Please avoid them. Unot kudi.
Wish you the best. Hope and pray no scandal. Well, I won't lie. The media has a whole lot of vibe which goes into it, and like recently, was it yesterday? Nagangono article says I'm stuck in Botswana, and that's something I never even said. So yeah, so I'm also hoping and praying that there won't be any scandals, but the media is always gonna find spices to everything that we do and everything that we say. So, but best believe that some of these things are not done intentionally, and it's not about, because I'm an artist and I'm bound to make some mistakes. But now that I'm in the public eye, everything I say or everything I do is also going to be judged by other people, and other people are going to say, no, do it this way, not that way. So my scandals are a little more under, guys, but let's hope it's not those scandals which are you know what I'm talking about, guys.
But are you stuck zveshuwa kana kuti pane rumors yakafamba kuti pamwe maifana kuzodzokera kuZimbabwe kunopesa maepisodes, then maybe pane pakazonzi zvichaita kuti uende kunoacta, saka chii chakanyasoitika ipapo?
Well, I'm at home. I'm not stuck. We finished shooting our season 1 in January, and then I came back home. So I guess people are just, I think they're just speculations of we need season 2, and Tawaz is in Botswana, so we need him back. And then other people are saying no, he's stuck in in lockdown and all that. But if season 2 is coming, obviously we're gonna come. I'm gonna be there. I'm not on lockdown really. I'm allowed to travel back to my country, Zimbabwe, and also I'm allowed to come back after being quarantined. So
okay, this one actually when umana vanhu kuti textira hobo. Hanzoni, do you have any project Anzi, do you have any project you did outside Zim, or do you have a dream to do so? Question yacho iyo.
I haven't done any project. I did an advert, but it was never released. But it was about elections in Botswana, but it was never released. But I'm going to share the clip on my Insta and my Facebook page. But yes, my wish is to have that's my dream. Obviously, everyone dreams to be known internationally, not just nationally, and also wave the flag in Zimbabwe. So of course, yeah, that's my dream to have a whole lot of projects out in South Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Hollywood, also Bollywood, also. I want to be everywhere, guys. That's the dream.
Okay. Next question: Is it a true story that I saw on media that you qualified for Man U player? Your question.
No, it's just fans giving out love. Come on, guys. It's just fans giving out love to say, you know what, we believe in your dream as Tawaz. So they edited and made me wear, they took my pictures, and yeah, it wasn't me.
Anthony, can you really play soccer, or is just for the character?
I'm a sporty guy, guys. I'm a sporty guy. I play a whole lot of sports. I'm a basketball player, and I started off playing soccer also. So really, this is just reliving part of my dream. Now just showing that I'm in love with soccer, and just bora, and apana munhu anonzi asingagoni bhora. nyangwe Sharon anogona kungoona chibhodhoro apa ubva ngochikika. Soccer, soccer is around the world, guys.
Okay, Anzi, where did the drama shot and when? It
was shot in Melbourne in Harare in January, the whole of January. Tangatiri Melbourne. Tichotarisa ono tichiti but vanotoziva here kuti vachitotoona in the next few months.
Okay, Hansi, create a page. Hey, page, not pity. But on a page, girl, just like your page, is it?
Yes, I have a page. Everson K Chiesa also. It's my page.
Yeah, another Facebook page. Do you have Snapchat?
No, I don't have Snapchat. I thought Snapchat was. I'm not yet there, guys. I don't even know how to use it.
Sure. Andigoni kuishandisa Snapchat ndakatadza kuihwisisa kuti inofamba sei. Chimwe futi chandisingakwanisi iTwitter. Asi ndaziva kuti purpose yekuti ndine paTwitter. Hey.
But you should be on Twitter. I think Twitter is fun, especially for you. You're going to have more fun.
Oh, really? Maybe kuti ndofana kumbopita munonzi matutorials asi ndaihwisise. Hanzi munoimba here Man Tower.
I used to be a rapper, guys. I used to rap back at high school, but ndakazongosiya noti chikoro changa chandibata. But I don't know how to sing. I cannot sing, guys. But don't know music. And get for youth.
Okay, Hanzi, Amudiwo here ku acting, please. Wanna be part of your group? And that's some.
Hanzi,
your question is, and that's wins maybe I know.
Guys, being in Moyo wasn't just a giveaway. We had to work for it. So I think College Central is always going to put out auditions. There is no such thing as Ndongora actor and then Obotongo actor, guys. But the way actors or people get acting gigs is through my auditions. And whenever I put out auditions, I don't know, last month, but and also College Central, if it wants actors, they're always going to put out auditions. Good to know, guys, if you want to be part of this project, please come through. So I think that's the way we're going to do it. We need to keep it professional. So there's no such thing as we work through my auditions. So just keep out a look on my auditions. And the only way you can find out my auditions is when you follow College Central, when you follow even some of us who are also part of it.
Okay. Hanzi, what inspired the Kubusha film? Chokwadi original tiga. Unasandali wona Kubusha. Mune futi drama around Kubusha.
Yes. I was with Biko in there.
And we zive say
Kubusha was inspired with MSU, guys. Everyone at college knows this story where you share a room with a friend and you have a girlfriend who wants to come over, but your friend asks to buy. So no kubushisa, that's the term kubusha. Ndakatozvidzidzawo ndaipapo kuti wait, there's a word kubusha. Saka it's when two people live in a room and then mungovaudza mumwe kuti chimborwa marounds panze apapo namboita quality time nebaby rangu.
Alright. Alright. And how are you utilizing this golden time to build up your career or any other business? Take advantage, man. This is your time, Everson.
Yes, of course, guys. I told Mborara because don't dream yacho, guys, and it's all coming true. I'm getting people from different places around the world, who want to work with me, and that's what I'm really grateful for. And that's why I'm really thankful to College Central and also to God, because they say it would have been possible if they hadn't given me a shot or believed in me. So if they believed in me, I also have to believe in myself and take advantage of all this golden time and circulate around the world.
Auntie, did you think Wadiwa Moyo was gonna be famous?
Well, the thing is, I sent a script. It script my one here, guys, and then Rona Bugon City. I think it's gonna be nice. Teacher blow up people's mind, but I didn't think it would lead to this to make this impact. There is what is impact, but impact guy we didn't expect it, and that's why we're thankful because budget tight. You had shoot ne 1,000 US dollars, guys, and that was low budget. A movie is supposed to go about maybe 100,000, guys. Come on, no title. Kutodyawo titomboita zvinhu zvakawanda wanda, but we understood kuti zviri kufamba sei, saka it wasn't really much of a problem nesuma actors.
Manje teta kupedza saka na questions mwaya apa pamanje teta kupedza. Hans, are you still working with the likes of Trinity? And even those guys are talented, and I don't know Trinity. Do you know Trinity?
Trinity Matenganyika.
Yeah. This is the question.
And Trinity Matenganyika, yes. Yeah, we are all going to work together. Right now, I'm far away, and I'm also trying to push my brand as a person. But it's not saying I'm limiting myself. Trinity is my younger sister, and I've also worked with her. She's a good writer, and we're still going to work together. The industry, we're building it. We're coming up, so everyone has to have an impact in everything that we're going to be doing.
Okay, Anzi, how do you think Zollywood can grow to compete with Nollywood?
The best way to do it is through competition, guys. In Zimbabwe, there's only ZBC, but we need more channels because we're only content. And the more people are paid, and the more to beat my channels, maybe there's let's say there's ZBC, and then there's ZTV there, and then there's also religious makeup, and then there's also Shema TV right there. When we have people bring out different contents, it will bring out competition, and it will also make sure that people are getting paid out there. We have more content, and because Nollywood creates movies day after day, because what am competition, and also my just sponsor you guys.
Hansi, great body, so charismatic. What's your secret?
Drink water, guys. Drink water and exercise and eat healthy. Don't just eat anything. Your body is the temple of the Lord. Don't just eat anything, and stay away from alcohol and I'm not shaming the people who drink alcohol. I'm just saying that's my secret recipe.
Hansi, Mantawa, you are a star. Mukuya when kuzim doda kumboenda out name for photo shoot.
As soon as we've done over, I'll make sure that everyone knows we have Zimbabwe, and those people we can schedule my meetups and all that, and yeah.
Okay, Hansi, mune mwana here Tawaz kana wekufungirawo zvake.
No, I do not. I do not have one. I do not have one. But in Gamita, I want to call her Anashe. I want to call my baby girl Anashe.
Wow,
Anashe Sharon.
Auntie, uyu. Are you? Oh, no. Auntie, why want to endo yako vanhu vakatoda kufollowa saka takupedza ndoti udzokorodze futi endo yako. And are you making active effort to reach out to successful actors or actresses to maximize your potential?
Yes, of course. I'm trying my best, but also the only way I can do it is when people. Oh my goodness, my battery is low. But
what you got on charger?
Yeah, I meant to change a position, but I hope this light also because I'm on one.
I don't want to talk. Don't worry.
No, this guy. But yeah, I'm doing I am making sure that I have time to communicate with other people, and the only way it can work is when other people are actually helping out. Um,
Okay.
take out everything out there and make sure that people are knowing more about him and
Mm.
his potential.
Hans I think I know the worst part of your acting. I don't understand this question. I say humble answer. There's something similar to this one. Kuti like vanogona kuudza kuti zvamakaita what. I didn't understand the question though.
I
Hanzi
don't understand it.
handakuinzwisisa kuti wada kuti pane loophole here kana panei. But anyway, you guys hatidi kunyeberana. Vanhu ava pakabuda mari kuti zvishutwe zviya kuzoita kusvika zvoreleaswa. I'm sure pakaitwa maediting akawanda zisingamboiti. Saka ngativapewo credit vanhu ava nokuti chinhu chakanetsa ichi. Hakutina dhirama ratinanetsa kubva paya pa263 kupinda pana tadiwa. Ndizo ndogara ndichitadiwa pamoyo yakakonzeresa. Saka ngatingoappreciatawo vanhu zvavakaita. Hanzi Mantawa and Cheryl, love you so much. I mean, Botswana ku Gabes ndanonoka kusvika. Oh, Botswana. Zviri sei Hanzi, are you making effort? Ndaiverenga iyi. Netione makomenzi acho anyanya kudzika. What's your favorite pastor ku SDA? Yeah.
Who's my favorite pastor? I don't have a favorite pastor. But I used to love CD Brooks, but he used to rest in peace. He passed away. But I still watch his sermons, and he's one of the people who I think I admire and who tells the truth as it is.
Miraton. Makomenzi angu ari kumhanya kunoku. Hanzi, do you believe in love without money? What are your thoughts as an individual? Zvisiri zvecharacter yatawanda.
Well, the thing, money runs the world, guys. Money runs the world. There's no such thing as love, but love, it's something which has to come unconditionally. That's why we say for better or for worse. If love is not for better or for worse, it's dead love. It's fake love. But I believe in love without money also. But with work inside, with effort inside, there's no such thing as I love you and then you just sleep. Because you still need to eat. I love you guys, and can never survive with that. So that's my personal opinion. And but also taste try with my gold diggers at the same time.
Okay, vaita sei magold digger? Explain. Asokambodigwa.
Everyone has been dark, guys. Every guy has been dark, and every guy has put out money out there to say, you know what, I don't care. Let me just do it for the love. But it's something that we're trying to avoid. I personally sometimes take like to the point that when I try to do someone who do they love me for me or I just fake. Some people they love you for what they see, not for who you.
Okay, Hanzi, saka Mantawa mukumboona sei musikana wenyu pa-lockdown?
You see what we're doing right now? We're communicating like this, just like this. My video call and more now, but it's life. Yeah, and those are doing great. Calling and.
Hanzi, mu real life unonyura murudo here sezvawakaita mudrama mu real life umu?
No, you guys will see my girlfriend, guys. When you guys see my girlfriend, muchaona kuti Manta wana kupata. Manta muombe.
Vakapata vari kuti Hanzi unonyura semanyuriro wangu wakaita mudrama here in real life.
You fall in love. Yeah. I know I'm ndoperera, guys. Ndoperera, but it's more just for Mantawa.
But ndichiri papo, would you post your girlfriend pa Instagram kana kuti ngati pa social media kana kuti unomuhwandisa kuseri?
We talked about it, and Tangoti, you know what, for the time being, let's just try to stay low key because needs and but and I'm also trying to protect her also because you know that's her. What about her life also because she's not into she's not a film or an actress or a model. She's just she's a doctor. Oh guys, I got a doctor.
Close the doors, please. Close the door. Ana Ganet mazvonere kwanzi ndido kuita kuita signature. Kuita signature. Saka ari kuzimu kana kuti ari kuBotswana.
She's no guys. You can she's somewhere out there, guys.
Oh, somewhere, okay. And if other countries approach you to take part in their skits or movies, can you take the offer?
Yes, guys. That's the main dream, guys. I don't know what my skits cheese well, but I always try to avoid the word skits because this is some of our career. But if it's a movie, if it's a short film, if it's an advert or anything which has to do with media and me growing as an artist and them also growing as a brand, of course, I'm in.
Okay, so Shandakuta, I'm going to have last 3 questions because my master can go to repetition, right? And what is something you used to believe in that you don't anymore? This one.
I used to believe that true love is no longer there anymore. And then I met my friend.
Whoa, hey. Urukuti wachisa vasikana vese vari mucomment section.
Don't worry, I'm a true lover boy. My Tawaz is who I really want to do. Like, go Timuna no Todao.
I'm going to next matter. Drop a number and do a video call and so miss a bad. We are taking 2 more questions. Are you best friends na Biko in real life?
Yes, we're actually good friends. I used to also direct him my short film which I directed. It's something which
Saka imwe yacho next one, second one. I was your post. I think I saw your post on Instagram saying this is the worst part of my sins, and you apologize to your mom for acting like what you did. Was that your worst part? And you kwanise kutaura zvawaiita?
Oh yeah. It wasn't my worst part. I just said it to say the way people are gonna look at me is gonna be different because magazine, you know, and people are always gonna see that face. They're never gonna see Manta only, they're gonna see my face. And it's something which I was looking at and say, you know what, my parents are gonna watch this, guys. Come on, but you know, work is work, and it's one of my best sins because what you guys do out there, every guy I think has had such a moment.
You were to see the Wepa wadiwa Moyo, kana drama.
When I was holding a magazine,
Okay, how can I get the beat that you people using on episode Wadiwa Moyo? I like it.
It's actually a song. I said Buddha, guys. It's a Buddha. I can go on a Chido and the girl Tapuanzira words is Chido. They can buy Mudiwa, Wepa Moyo. She's the one who did that one.
What's that one question? I'm gonna vunzai name solo one question. Mangwasha kafanana the introvert mboenda so Man Tawaz. What's your favorite dressing? And I think I'm Western dressing. What's your favorite dressing?
I'm a fan of All Stars, my tennis All Stars, and then jean, and then any top is fine with me. Long sleeve, I'm done, and the cap. Then I don't pay the mask.
Okay. So alright, chitaurira vanhu page rako kuti rinonzi chikubva kuFacebook again kusvika kuInstagram nekuTwitter zvese nekuti zvanetsa izvi.
Right. And that page, on the Mantower, I have nothing which has a page called Mantower. Even on Instagram, there are people who are writing who have handles which are called Mantower. My Facebook page, it's Everson K Chiesa, and then my Instagram, it's Everson K Chiesa too, and then on Twitter, it's at Everson Kuda. That's it. There is no Mantower anyway, guys. If you're talking to any Mantower out there, it's not me.
Okay, so I think Tawaz, thank you so much nekubvuma kujoina kwamaita hamudadi because ndatofunga kuti panaka kusendera message. Guys, by the way, ndakava approach kuInstagram ndikavakumbira kuti ndokumbira mumboita sei mumbochata nemafriends, so I thought kuti acharamba but abvuma. Thank you so much. Samuda kuti chii kune vamwe vanhu vari kusapota ine vamwe vari kuona panapa pa YouTube panapa.
No, to everyone who is watching, I'm really grateful, and to everyone who is supporting also, thank you very much. This love is something that I never expected. I never thought would be receiving such love, but thank you. I'm as Zimbabwe love. I don't even know how to express my whole gratefulness, and also thank you to Kola Central. I'm most grateful for that. And also we can't leave Georgia, God Almighty. He made all this possible. Also, it wasn't through our mighty power. And also to those who have critics, thank you for all the critics. And I hope some of them will look at them and say, you know what, this is actually true, and we're going to build more from them. And thank you. And guys, it's not that I do not reply my messages. It's just that there are a whole lot, and I always try to go through all of them at some point in time. We can also go now, you guys, and also talk to you guys. But thank you very much, Sharon. I really appreciate this opportunity.
Okay, no problem. So what I'll probably do, because like in the eternal stream yadiga, so like zvikutora nguva kuti izo upload after ndakata ndabuda pa live. So what I'll do is after ndakata ndinomboisa ku private, then I'm gonna download clip yacho yese ndongo edit channel ndozoita iri ndozo uploada zvakare kuti tangidza kuti one. So ndichaihide saka hapana anokwanisa kuiona, maybe ndichatozoiona mangwana video yacho yese pane vasarira nevari kubvunza kuti muri single hamusi single here. Tawaz is taken, he is seriously taken nemumwe munhu wavo, saka it's a no go area guys. Hanzizvo nditikumbira kuti utilinge toda kumbotaurawo nabhiko, handeva todawo bhiko. Mina ndingoedha 1 or 2 fans vanenge vada kutaura newe 2 minutes. Thank you nokuhwizisa. Mina ndiite copy pamboedhekawo maybe 1 or 2 mafans. Saka muda kutaura something kuna Tawaz, ndaisa linki iro guys. Nzwisei kuti ndatovabhega kuti vauye panapa, saka moita muchiti gaga kana maita sei mapinda mune zvamuda kutaura navo kana kuvabvunza. Link ndaisa iro, chingoklikai zvatinoita mazuva ese motaura naTawaz. Taurai naTawaz guys. Inini ndakubvunzirai on behalf. Saka ndichangoedha 3 people chete ndo vandichaedha, then toregera kuti tinonotse Tawaz. Wauya kare kava indogona kurova 4 hours ndakagara panapa, unoziva
1 minute chete handichatomboda kuenda.
Aiwa, but it's good kuti vanhu vaziva nezvako because vanhu vange vachifungira. Hanzi kunza bhiko hazviiti kuti ndikutanga ndimuunze nhasi, because like zvandaita kune vava ndamukumbira, then I had to give him a leeway yekuti zvoni akwanise kuva comfortable kuti iye agouya. Hello,
how are you?
Iri bo, taurai naTawaz.
Mantawa murise. Bobo, as you can see, I'm in lockdown. That's why I see the pics is like dark.
Yeah, and those are the course. Make distancing you.
Keep on your works, Mantawa. I just like the way you do your things. You are confident. Confident, bro.
All right, thank you. Faster. Okay, next, Elfasi. Hello.
Mantawa. Hello, Makadi yenyu.
Did you say?
Thank you, Mantawa, for the Wepa Moyo. You know, it brought a bit of nostalgia back to Zimbabwe, Chikura, Chirapana. You know, that's what we grew up doing. So it's nice. Keep up the good work, yeah.
Was it Tawaz? Tawaz. Tawaz don't teaser.
A teaser, Tawaz. I know. Thank you. At least not to the gender one who know to go there, city to support us. I'm going to share.
My Tawaz.
Mama tweet my Facebook. You didn't get to him what you show saga. If you share it, you go on to Muripapi.
Maita basa ndasambotega ichibwete uchimbovaunza vanhu vava varidzi vezvinhu hamene kuti tichasvike pi tichangotizama kuunza vakasiyana siyana.
No, they are doing a good work, and thank you very much, Mrs. Shero, for bringing people like this. You know, don't you choose the put it to say Zimbabwe.
Adzoka
Mantawa muri right there.
Ndaishiwanzwa. Murisezweni.
Tiri bobo ishevari kuchengeta shuwa ngatichengete Mwari nekuchengetwa nekupuwa opportunities. Thank you very much. God bless. Yeah.
All right, thank you. Naiwe hanzi bhiku ari comments. Is it true? Anoshandisa sere kuti chi bhiku wacho ngauya apa timupinze pasit. Hasla.
Yo. Mantawa mugeta se.
Mantawa was I think vari ku freezer. Naiwe hanzi bhiku ari comments. Is it true? Anoshandisa sere kuti chi bhiku wacho ngauya apa mina ndikubvise ndakumbobvisa uyu hustler because pane sound ire ndiri kunzwa mina ndibese womunhu wechikadzi. Hello. Zviri sei?
Hello. Mushe, how are you?
Taurai naManTawaz.
All right, Mantawa, I heard you reply to the messages, Ekuti, you're in a serious relationship. So I wanted you to advise all the young people out there who are actually finding it hard to find love. What's the best thing that you can actually advise them to do so that they can have serious relationships and have a stable relationship, like just the way you are having yours?
I think the best way is people not to have expectations. Just love with no conditions. The moment you pinda love and then you say, I love you because you have good hair, or I love you because you have nice lips. My lips are and are you still gonna love that person? Love someone, love with no conditions. Love them for just who they are, and the only way you can be able to love someone is by loving yourself, and that's the only way you can do it best. So my expectations, I want a man with money. I want a man with a car. What next? So I think that's the only way we can be able to fight.
Yeah, thank you very much. Otherwise, you're doing a great job, eh? All the best. All right.
Thank you.
All right. The Gandhi the next one. Koma baby, muri kupi mamuchivunza kuti Tawaz vane baby uyai apa kamuva confront. Zviri sei kuti Vikita?
Muri sei sisi Shema, sorry. Makatega apa iyi. Ndine this comment yamatega apa.
All right. Taura tinzwe.
I was trying to like kuirama ndichiisenda but yanga ichiramba nenayo tenga yakurisa. Saka yanga ichizosvika in small pieces yekuti mamusuru zonzisa kuti iri kureveka.
All right.
Yeah, so in nangu andina zvandoda kubvunza specifically because zvandatoda kubvunza ndabvunza. But I just want to say, not like it's not an encouragement or what. It's something chandaungoudza mukoma wangu varapa. Kuti mukoma zvamatoita matopa imi munotodza kuzvibhiliva kuti mato like munhu atopa fame handiti mato a celebrity zvamutori so handiti and everyone actually is looking up to you handiti so please to be honest don't let us down takatotarisira kwamuri because we had the problem yevanhu vakauya handiti vakatora like that fame vakaita ma-celebrities at the same time vanhu ivapa vakaita fame vapamusoro vakabva vaita sei vakabva vatodonhedza right now kune vanhu vari pasocial media they think full of themselves vanozviona kunge ndo vakapenga but at the same time vanhu ndo vakavaisa that position so we just want you kuti murambe muchingomaintain don't give up just give up as yourself behind the camera but once you come patiri please don't let us down. That's my encouragement kubva kwandiri ichiuya kwamuri. I think he's not.
Yeah, no, thanks.
Yeah, but my questions are not ndabvunza. All right, thanks so much.
All right, let me end Tanaka. Ndikona unge muna Biko ari kuzatsuku guys. Biko are you? Biko.
Hi Mantawa, hi Shero.
Say.
Ndiri right muri say.
Sister Tanaka muri kupi?
Ndiri kuAngola.
Oh, how is Angongo?
Kuri right zvako kuri sei kwamuri kwese.
Ndiri taura na Mantawa.
Mantawa kubos trukuya Mantawa inini hangu handina zvakawanda zvekutaura but I just want to say thank you very very much nekuunza like zvinhu zvinobatika kwatiri moziya munonakidza zvekuti do saka tinokusapotai tinokudai rambai makaita sei makatsika pamukatsika ipapo tinemi hatikusiyai. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye, Sister Turner. Oh, Nandakisa, Biko, BB. Hey, BB. Bicolicious, yes. Biko.
Say.
Biko, please.
Mugira say what sisters.
Yo Biko ka wahaijeka unoona manje Biko ngofana kuya zvakatosiyana totombokufaya makwestions Biko handiti
aiwa nanangoya akazongona Mantawa tozoita interview zomwe musi sisters
saka ukundiona ka ndatozvibata
wakuzona mese
aiwa Biko iwo ukadzoka mangwana handiti zvandirigina kuita kandotaura nauyu because ndine nhamba dzani dzaMantowers ndichati vandipe nhamba dzako so that ndoronga Twitter yako wega handiti Bicolicious Bibi. Alright. Ndikuda kukubvunzawo guy wewe usauya pana Mantowers panapa ndakubvisa mangoti ndoronga mangwana ndita sei tombokupinza handiti Biko ngatimupinze pake ega guys. Alright, ngatibvise Biko ngatimubvise tozoita yake ega Biko. Alright, ladies. Mantowers wanenge wadona guys. Ndaku nyanza nyasha
tiri panapa yesero tiri panapa
zviri sei manje mani Biko mane yenze Mantowers ndofunga netadona
ai isi soda zvina Mantawa isi sitowira Mantawa
iwe mukadziwe
Shero tawira Mantawa
mira chimbomira yamana Mantawazi mozvashi vanhu zviviri zviri kutaura apa. One wacho ikazeni yangu. Togara takaburana.
Wakanaka.
Sero tukuda Mantawa vauye.
Vari
izvozvo. Isusu kutaura chokwadi ka atina nyaya kutaura chokwadi atina nyaya atadongona Mantawa. Tiri matop feda atadongona Mantawa.
Thank you, my cousins.
Yes, Mantawa. Yo shero takutombokuya paside. Chero iwo chibva palive yako tisare isina
ndikukufonera ende ndiri kutokuuya nezvibhirigedhiya. Hauda kuti mhoresera pana Mantawazi panapa manje.
Konde sekufayana magondo ndozvatakuita nereso.
Takuvhurana pavane
Ngobi, makazeni zangu haitigesi. Zvimakazeni zvangu zviri kuBangkok uko guys. Anyway, rega ndiede anzani Sindela kana Kandela mani. Zviri sei?
Hello.
Muri sei?
Tiri bo sei?
Tiri bo taura na Mantawazi, but I think network yawo inenge yakuita ichita problem.
Shame.
Taura henyu.
Manta. Ndakuzonyara manje network yawo yakuramba. Mantawazi ka show yenyu tinoifarira. Vaenda Mantawazi. Okay, rega ntaure newachona. Ntaure
iri kudonha yavo. Anyway, ndise sisi Gladys. Mantawa vadonha guys.
Hello.
Muri seiko?
Tiri right, zviri sei?
Tiri bo. Uyu ndakuisa mese muri 3 papa. Manje munhu wamafambira wacho nadonha manje. I think network yake ndo ma 1.
Tangotaura ne.
Yeah? Waipana naye mukana wandambonyarara mati vari 2 apa mati.
Kati Mantawa dhvama rinonakidza zvisingaiti. Haiwa tikurifara isusu tiri kuBotswana. Ndinamboti ndiri kuBotswana uya.
Manje maita munyamanga Mantawazi vabva vadonha.
No problem. Vozonga wazoti aiwa rambai makadaro. Mese nasisero tokudai isingaite munotigonera.
Alright, thank you. Alright, Amanda, great, thank you. Iwewe tapana uyu Sindela.
Yeah. I wanted to say kuti inonzi drama ra Mantawazi rika. Ndaingoriona every time ndishingoriisa recommendation angu YouTube chingonzi ona chikoti shuni ichi ndeishipi kuti. Saka ndakazoriona the first time I saw it, I think I spent the whole day. I watched about 7 episodes. Drama rinonakidza handidi kunyepa. And Mantawazi he's doing the things. My way.
But I think internet yake ndo ma 1. Yes, vadzoka. Tell him.
Mantawazi. Ndakuzwa manje madzoka. Nachibva kudzashema kuti amarenyuka ndinorifarira singamboite. Especially your character yatawanda yaka. Anondigonera komana yawo yachema.
Thank you.
The way anoda nokusoka. I wish ndikawana boyfriend ndinondidasema ndiramnicha nokai.
Finish.
But you are doing the things mukunatsogona murambe makadaro.
Vati vachifreeza, but thank you vazvinzwa. And futi I think pandichazoiedita vachanyange vachiona futi. Thank you my sister. Rega ndiedit the last person manje. Sorry, Melody.
Sure.
Zviri sei?
No.
Kondazuzu.
Hello?
Hello, and David.
Hi.
Yeah, Mantawa, what do you say?
Still bo kana muri bo.
Still nana. Mukuchibatira basa
takatochila zvedu mu lockdown na.
Asange pa episode 9 kutaura chokwadi ushamwari wenyu kana wanga uri ushamwari waminawo nabhiko uri wekuactaka dai mangu nyatodzokera wanyatsoita real like pa episode 9 pamukamboramwa mashooters then paakazouya kukupai mashooters takachema so uzoti mambomhanya mukati then Mantawa mambo mashooters hey aiva pakanibata zvesvo I wish ndikawana friend yakada sei. Anyway, thanks Shema.
All right. Thank you. Okay, I think that's it for today. Then in the chataura na uyu na Tawaz kuti vatipe namba dzani dza Biko mangwana Biko ongouya ari iye. Palestine makabiri anyway. Biko tichamuudza mangwana auye ari ega so that atiti anzani Tawaz na Biko waita musame clip waita ma different clips awo kana mune mubvunzo yakanangana nani na Biko yongoramba yakanangana na Biko chete kwete kuzomixa nani na kuti Tawaz ava nekuti ani matora zvakawanda wanda zvamamusingazivi about Tawaz. Anyway, saka that's it for today. I think devanga vadzoka vataura mahandle Facebook, Instagram name uyu kana ndisingakanganise mira ndinde pa ndo zita ravo repa Facebook page yavo yakanzi Everson EVERSON Rogers yacho ROGERS ndo nikirikini Facebook page ravo iri rani Tawaz vanonzi Everson hanzozivi kuti senemu yavo nikirikini here mira nditase kuInstagram futi kuti kwakanzi chii mozonovafollowa ikoko ava kuInstagram vakazviti kuInstagram EVERSON_K_ vazoti chieza ndo Instagram. Kutwitter ndizozvizivi ndarasika zvekutwitter mino zvotariswa sei zvekutwitter I don't know kuti zvotariswa sei ndangoziva zveku kutwitter hendo ichi
at Everson Kuda.
At Everson gati ifoni ine Twitter ndoera baba hanzi hoye vanonzi Everson. Anyway, hello.
Yes, wangwachibvunzo ndobva kupi hanzi ndobva kwaRusape kwa Murombezi, I think so. Kunyazura pazambuko guys. Kunyazura pazambuko. That's where I come from. Ndokumusha kwangu.
Kurusape kwa Murombezi.
Kunyazura pazambuko. That's where
saka mundi connect kana Biko tizomuunza pana pa Biko mangwana kana zvichiita.
Yes, no, make sure.
All right, thank you so much. Ndakubvisai maita basa singamboite. Thank you. Ndakubvisai manje.
And to everyone, right. Bye
bye. Guys, that's it for today. Right. Ndapedza things zvanhasi tobatsana mangwana, but manje this live stream zvandiri kuita ndikange ndapedza because iri kuita 24 hours kuti ipedze kuprocessa ndikwanise kuita sei kuita zvandinoita panapa ndichikanika makanikira ndichiita. Saka what I will do is kana ndapedza live stream ndichaiisa kuprivate, then kana yazopedza kuprocessa maprocessor wacho ainoitwa ndichaidownloada then ndozoita zvekuiuploada again. Ndosaka ndati vauye vari maclips akasiyana vapinde maclips ari different tisavamixe toita Tawaz toita yabhiko yacho mangwana choita nabhiko saka maita basa I think nhasi ndizvo zvizvi kana vapera vanhu vedu vari kuunza topota chimbotamba tumagame twedu tichagadzira tumaquiz machichichiti watinenge tichiita saka nhasi ndizvozvo zvese Chido vedu ngaita boys degere kana akango like Lucas Muvhiringi kana achida kuuya anongouya because inini like I said ndango approacha munhu one wanachizoti akambokomenda kune one of the clip yandakaita saka ndopandaita ndosaka ndati rega ndichese ndimo approach zvema celebrity zvinonetsa kaunogona approacha munhu iye asingadi kuuya maona saka it's always good kuti unotanga nemunhu wacho anenge ari willing vamwe wacho nandivazivi I've never spoken to Chido Nanoko right ndichataura naMan Tawaz chinzoti vanoti chii because andivazivi vanhu vese avava andivazivi saka Man Tawaz anogona kuti sei kutiunzira vanhu vachoniwo kana vachibvuma tounza kana vasingabvumi we cannot force anyone but bhiko tinofanira kutomumanikidza auye anyway alright guys bye bye ndakuinda ndakuda kuzororawo kuzaya manonoka bye bye guys bye ndokubatai mangwana nhasi ndinofanira kumbokasira kuzorora plus ndoda kuita video yereview yewadiwa wapamoyo yandikuuploada manje so I think kumaraund 12 ikokoko handizivi mahandle eTwitter sorry zvenyu handimazivi mahandle kuti anoitwa sei but anyway thank you so much bye bye